So working with the quadricep, what we're going to do is start on the ASIS bone. That is that big bone at the front anterior part of the pelvis. You can do this with a black ball or with a silver ball or with a gold ball. Stay, breathe, stimulate the bone. And then slowly you're going to pull the torso away from the ball and allow that ball to sink down into that space between head of femur bone and ASIS bone. Wait, breathe, let the ball sink. If you have experience here, you can even do some cross fibering, rotating the ball from the inside to the outside. If not, that's fine. Continue slowly to move down that thigh with the exhale. Breathe, sink, release. There's no hurry in this work. Take another breath. Exhale, let that ball roll down a little bit closer to the knee. Observe in your own body where you need to wait and let the ball sink. Take another breath in. If you feel like that space has released, you can exhale and let that ball come down a little bit closer to the knee. Make sure you're not on the kneecap. We're almost there, but not quite. Let that ball sink. Take another breath in. Exhale, let that ball move down a little bit closer. You're going to basically press the top of the kneecap down. You don't want to be on the kneecap. You're just above it, and just let that ball sink. And then flip over onto your back, take a breath, observe, and do the other side. Breathe.